So hi everyone, I am Kayum, and in this video we will going to see that how to change HTML page elements properties using script.js. That means we generally use CSS for the manipulation of the HTML elements like changing the colors, changing their size, their positions, like animation, etc. These are all things we generally does with CSS. But in this video, we will going to learn that how to manipulate the HTML elements, properties, style properties using the JavaScript. So as you can see that I have created three files. First one index, which is for HTML, script for JavaScript, and then style.css. And I can show you that in the style.css I only mentioned properties for centering the elements of the body tag in the center. That's why I use this. But other all things we will going to do with the JavaScript. So first of all we need to create a division tag, which is for example we will use a container tag in this. Okay, so uh, let me show you that how we are going to do it. Okay, so the first property we will going to use that in place of CSS we use background properties. Okay, so similarly for this we will use in the JavaScript background as it is. Okay, so how we will going to use first let choose tag. Okay, let's choose the tag. Okay, so here we will use, okay, document dot file selector. Okay, in that we will select the container class. So for that choose this what does done happen. Okay, done. We are selected container tag. Okay, now let me change the background. Okay, using JavaScript. Okay, so for that we will going to use choose tag that then style let me choose style dot background. Okay, style dot background. Yeah, we will going to use let's see. One minute. Choose tag style dot width. Okay, 100 pixel. Choose tag not style not height. Okay, done. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully changed the background color of our HTML element using the JavaScript. Okay, so in this way, this is for the first one. Okay, so we have done JS background property. Okay, so how we will do going to use style, then proceed with the background, and then a red. Okay, done. A red. Instead of red we can take green or anything. Okay, so blue. Okay, done. So now let's comment it. Now JS property. Now the next one will be border. Okay, the next one will be a border prop. Okay, So similarly we will first of all choose the tag, then style, then again border. Okay, so border will be 2 pixel solid. Okay, and border will be red. So you can see that we done this. You can see that border is of a red color. You can take it 5 pixel as well. The border size will be increased. 2 is better. So this is for border property. Now let's go to, yes, okay. Let's see border left, border right, border top, and border bottom. Okay, so these are the prop. Okay, how to use them, let's see. Choose tag, that style, and border left. Okay, border left would be of let's see 5 pixel. Okay, solid and of color red. Okay, oh, you can see that. Okay, let's do with the choose tag, then style dot. Now the border right. So for border right we will choose green. Okay, okay, border right we will choose green. Okay, now again for border top. Okay, border top yellow. Border type is of yellow. Okay, now again border bottom, uh, silver. Okay, and border bottom is of silver. So in this way we can use these properties. Okay, now let's compare them. Okay, now the next property will be of now the next will be of let's do India hold now country. Okay. So this is now we will move for the next properties. Font size. Okay, font size, font. Let's see first of all the font size. Okay, again choose tag, then okay, font size 12 pixel. Now we want 50 pixel. So you can see that we have successfully changes the font size of the HTML element. Okay, so guys, in this way we can use the JavaScript for manipulation of the uh, style formatting of the HTML page instead of CSS. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.